Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are unboxing FlySky GT2B transmitter receiver. So let's get started. So I will gonna unbox this with small knife which worth 20 rupees. So let me remove this packet and take my box out of this packet. Let me do it quickly. So nothing special on the box. I don't know about there's a model mention on this FSGT2B. Nothing else. I don't know about this slip. allrc, tell me what's secret behind this. So let me remove this sticky tape and take my contacts out of the box quickly. Now box is empty, so these are all the items that came in the box. So we'll go towards this later. The transmitter price is 4,000 rupees and delivery charges is 200 rupees. Cash on delivery is also available. So here is our transmitter, which is amazing. I really like this. So these are the first impressions. I don't even know how to open the cap, so it's first time. So here I had opened it. And there is a micro USB port from where you can charge this transmitter. This is chargeable. The steering feels also pretty cool in the hand, and the throttle back and forward is also amazing. There is a battery option where you will gonna insert your battery. So let me go towards the battery first. So there is the battery, which is 3.7 volt 800 milliamperes Leon polymer battery, which is amazing. I don't know about the timing of the battery, is first impression. So let me set the battery and turn the transmitter on. There are many switches, keys on the transmitter. Bind key is also on the machine here. So there is the power on and off key. Put it back. So next we have got this USB to micro USB cable to charge the transmitter. This one is rubber feel. This handle is removable. You can change the handle whatever feels good in your hand. So this one is extra. It's rubber and pretty cool. And the next we have got this rod kind of thing, which is used to protect your receiver antenna. It is used to protect your receiver antenna, which is strong. And finally, here is our receiver, which is 3-channel FlySky receiver, small in size and with a long size antenna. And there is a binding key to bind your receiver with your transmitter. So these are all the items that are included in the package that came in the box. So let me go towards the transmitter. Transmitter feels quite handy and feels comfortable. There are many trim switches and other switches on the transmitter for different functions. So this is 3-channel transmitter. Make sure that it has an custom switch as well. So these are trims. There's a bind key also here, and power on off key. There are two kind of LED, power LED and charging LED, which shows green for full and F for low. I don't know about F. So let me power it off and take it back. So as I mentioned, this is the charging port. And the main thing, there is a 3-channel switch, a button here as well, where you can customize whatever you want to use, a servo or whatever you want to use. You can use it with third finger or whatever finger you want to use. And throttle back and forward is also quite handy, feel good. And there are some more instructions. You can read these instructions by pausing this video, pause this and read these instructions. And there's the brand mention FSGT2B on both sides. FlySky, I really love FlySky brands, and it is amazing. The steering is also amazing. So I will tell you from where you can buy these items. These are hobby grade items. So first of all, I have purchased this from allrc.pk, where CEO is Faisal Abbas. There is contact mention on the corner. You can contact them. Or second, you can buy from Rose Radio Electronics. They are from Peshawar. They also provide amazing stuff. You can contact them. And lastly, you can buy from smarthobby.pk, where the owner is Yasser Malik. You can also purchase from them. So that's much for today. Thanks for watching. Peace.